this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we got something from Zenpop. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount. This is a Maruchan, it's the title, but it's got Mochi in it, and you're going to be like, whoa. And I'm going to start using this, because it's more of the shape of the bowl. Seems like it'll steep it a little better. So what we do is we add the stuff that was in the bowl, like the bits and the noodle. And then, it mentioned in the directions, add in the base. That's what I'm doing now. Like that. And then we've got this, and this is the mochi right there. So that's going in now. And this tends to, if it's all the way done, like nicely, it's like a nice gloppy, almost, what do you call it? Almost the texture of like warm mozzarella, but it's not like that. It doesn't like to hydrate all that well. At least it seems like. 370 milliliters of boiling water, and for 3 minutes. So yeah, I am home today now after going and spending 3 hours out with my son, which was nice spending some time with him, but poor kid has an ear infection, so we had to go enjoy the waiting room of the local urgent care for 90 minutes. And then sit in a room for a while, and then, yeah, they're like, oh, just give him something over the counter. I mean, they address the ear infection, but not the cough. And it's like when when my daughter went in, when Mimi went in, they like gave her antibiotic and an inhaler and children's Claritin and a nasal spray thing, and gosh, I want to say something else too. But yeah, it's kind of funny how there's like what one doctor will do and what another doctor will do. It's kind of irritating. Yeah, you might need some more juice thing. Come on. I'm plugging you in, as you can see. Getting plugged in. And that should make you happy thing. Did that work? Yes, I think. Maybe not. Here, you get to look over this way for a moment. Oh, poor kid's got a cough. I don't like that. Whoa, 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 what? Is this thing even plugged in? It says it's got 1%, and that's not at all. Well, it's plugged in. There we go. Is it going? Are you working? You seem to be working. Okay. And, yeah. Alright, so here we are. I already tasted it. I'll taste it again. I don't really care for it. Yeah, my phone, I was swiping down on my monitor and it was showing me the amount of battery that it had versus the amount of battery this has, and this had 1%. So luckily now it is charging well, and I hope it will get its business all taken care of. So yeah. Noodles all right. The broth is kind of funky. This steeped for the whole 3 minutes, and it's still been in boiling water. That was wonderful. Yeah, it's not like great. There might be some fanboy out there that thinks, "Wow, this is really something," but it's really not. It's strange. It's kind of like if you had tteokbokki that was undercooked. It's just not something I can wrap my happiness valve around. Let's just put it that way. So, anyways, there you go. There we are. Let's gussy it up at least. It's the least I can do for a noodle. I will say the bowl worked splendidly. Yeah, my poor boy has a bad cough. Fresh egg. Fresh egg. I'm going to wash this anyways. So there's that. It's got a couple slices of Naruto on it. That's kind of cool. And we've got some spring onion. And we've got some sprouts from the amazing Mungus Venus tree. It's an amazing plant. I've had so many people say, dude, you should just grow your own mung bean sprouts. It's really easy, blah, blah. It's like, dude, I don't have all this time that you do, dude. What do you mean? You're the noodle guy. It's instant noodles. They're instant. It's like, yeah, there's a lot more that goes on. I mean, that'd be fun. I do grow when it's that time of year where it's happy outside. I usually will go buy a mint plant and grow mint. That certainly floats my boat to be able to just go out on the deck and slice a little sprig of mint. Sprig of mint. And holy basil. I can just walk over to the place that has such plants. Let's see if I do this. Actually, if I do this, will they go the opposite direction? What if it's like this? No. That makes sense, though. Anyways, watch, enjoy, rotato. My photo area is ensconced in sunlight. So that's kind of a pain. It's one of those days where it can't decide to be sunny or cloudy. But best believe when I need to take a picture, it's going to be sunny. Anyways, we got some Vifon from Vietnam. And it says this is exported to 99 countries. So this is listed on the site as from Vietnam because it's got, yeah. Anyways, this is a hot and sour shrimp flavor. Sounds good to me. And yeah, that'll be on the next episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Oz Ramen, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye-bye.